Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, Bose sound system, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, 4-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.